Are reflections melting the vinyl siding or artificial turf on your property? Hi, Jake with TurfGuard Window Film here to show you how to stop window reflection from damaging artificial turf, vinyl flowers, natural turf, lawn furniture, and more. If you've detected the signs of melting damage afflicting the artificial turf grass or vinyl siding around your home, you might at first be at a loss for what's causing this damage. In most cases, the answer is sunlight reflecting off low-E energy-efficient windows, melting turf grass or siding when the light becomes concentrated and hot. If your neighbors recently had new windows installed, or if your own new energy-efficient windows can cast reflections onto your property, then that's the most likely cause of damage to the artificial lawn or siding. And even if the windows aren't new, they may still be the cause of artificial grass melting or siding damaged by the sun's reflection. As the seasons change and the planet is oriented differently to the sun, those damaging reflected beams of light can change position and start doing damage. The best way to stop reflected sunlight from melting vinyl siding on your home or ruining the artificial grass you installed around the property is to use TurfGuard Window Film. TurfGuard Window Film is a do-it-yourself solution that protects your artificial grass and vinyl siding by reducing the sun's reflection off of windows. This specialty window coating deflects sunshine in multiple directions rather than letting it become concentrated and reflect off the windows in a hot beam. So the sunshine doesn't become hot enough to melt vinyl or turf or to pose a hazard to people or pets either.